This woman stopped her car in the middle of the road to pee in the street. When confronted by the officer, she started hitting on him.
Yeah, well,
I have a bad bladder.
okay.
I have a cancer.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what happened here?
I had to pee. I can't hold my bladder in.
So you stopped in the middle of the roadway and peed.
Don't judge me. Don't judge you. You cute. You got a beard, mustache, mix or whatever, white.
So that's what I'm saying. You stopped in the middle of the roadway and peed. Why didn't you pull over or something?
I tried to. I wanted to. I was safe, I promise.
You sure you're okay? Where you coming from?
Well, I'm coming from my house.
Where you going?
Home. People have some men. Y'all judge people. Bye, cutie. You cute.
Okay, well just stay right there for me, okay?
Daddy not doing nothing for me.
Okay, just stay,
woman.
ma'am.
Trying to make.
Just stay right there. Stay right there for me. I'm gonna talk to you, okay?
About what?
Right, St. Charles Pipeline.
All right. The other thing too is your plates are expired.
No, they're not. I have my tags. I got my tags yesterday. My birthday's on 17th.
All right, I'll take your license and your insurance registration.
He's white. I don't like white people.
You have your driver's license and insurance registration?
Of course I do.
Okay, can I see that, please? Do you have the insurance?
Safe Auto.
The registration for the vehicle?
This is my car. I had this car for like 3 years, babe.
Okay, do you have the registration for the vehicle?
You recorded. You very racist.
How am I racist?
Because that's registration. This car's registered. I had this car for 3 years.
I know, but I don't know that.
I don't like white people. Y'all very racist.
Well, I'm not white.
That's what I get. No, white people want to dog black people out.
Well, I'm not white.
Boy, you all the way white.
It don't matter about nothing.
Uncle Tom. That's the police. With the court. Look him up.
He is.
From Louisiana. Tags right here.
Why is it on your car?
Because he sticks to my tags. You want to do it for me? Do it for me. You recorded. Do it.
Why didn't you put it on the back?
Because it didn't stick.
It didn't stick?
No, it did not. I digged out my text at 220 white.
Okay.
It didn't stick.
Okay.
Look at my text right now. It didn't stick.
Well, I know that.
I scraped the text off my sticker.
I know. I saw the sticker. It's expired. That's why.
That's the reason.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm scared.
That's why I fuck with white people. I got business. I'm a nurse. Everything. I take care of 2 kids.
Okay.
My kids mixed. Yeah,
Lights on.
I don't like white people, man.
I'm scared.
Hey,
So what was it? Why were you peeing in the roadway?
cause I tried. My friend just bought a house out the way. She don't know her address. She not familiar with her address.
Right.
Okay.
She not from here.
Okay.
She don't know her bathroom at.
I'm trying.
She intoxicated. I don't know how to get to her house to the bathroom. That's why I did it.
She's trying to get.
Okay.
With your white race, get this man.
I
I'm coming to everybody, man.
got it right here. So you didn't have time to stop anywhere else to use the bathroom. You just decided to
That's
stop.
why I did it. I ain't embarrassed. I'm like stripping.
What is what?
I used to be homeless. I slept in cars. Some with white men. Some with white men.
12150 all set.
I voted for Donald Trump. All this white mother man.
How much you had to drink tonight?
I had 2 glasses of wine
How long ago was that?
30 minutes ago.
Okay. Are you feeling anything from your wine?
You said what, babe? It's very cute.
Are you feeling any effects from the wine tonight?
No, I'm not. I'm very overwhelmed by my business, school, nurse school.
Okay.
My baby dad not doing nothing. I'm just overwhelmed.
Okay.
My friend just bought a new house out the way. She don't know her house is at. That's the only reason I put over to piss.
Okay. Sit tight, stay in the car. I'll be right back with you. Okay.
Pissed in the road?
I pulled up and she had her pants down her knees and pissed in the road. That's what that pile is over here.
That's good.
All right, Andrea. Yeah, it looks like you took care of your plates and stuff. But what I want to do is I want to make sure you're okay to drive from this point. I'm gonna have you step out of the car, and
I
then,
was step in my car. I'm fine and I'm safe.
we're gonna get you going. Okay.
I was step in my car. I'm fine and I'm safe.
I'm sorry.
My best friend just bought a house around the corner. I'm gonna drive to her house and lay down in her bed. I'm okay. I promise.
Well, I feel like you are impaired.
I'm not impaired. I'm a whole damn nurse.
Okay.
A school nursing school.
I understand that.
I take care of my elders. I take care of Miss Jocelyn. I take care of Miss Joyce. I'm fine and I'm safe.
Okay.
I'm stopping my court. I'm safe. I promise.
Well, I understand that you might feel that way, but I wanna make sure that you're okay to
You
drive.
can follow me around the corner
Oh.
and I'll be okay. I'm not stopping this court. I'm fine. I promise I am.
It's not gonna work, okay? I want to make sure you're okay. I'm gonna put you through for some field sobriety, and we'll get you going after that.
I'm not getting on my car. I'm okay. I refuse. I'm okay.
Okay. Well, there's two ways of handling the situation, okay? First, we can go the route where I make sure you're okay to drive from this point, and then you'll be released. Okay. Or a second.
She stayed around the corner.
I understand that. That's fine. I'm trying to work with you. Okay. As long as I feel like you're okay to drive, you'll be released.
Oh, probably I'm okay to drive. She won't stay around the corner.
Well, I don't know that. I pull up and I see that you're squatted down in the middle of the roadway, urinating in the middle of the street. Is that normal behavior for a sober person? Please answer me that.
I have a bad bladder. I have cancer.
Okay, and that might be the case. I want to confirm.
This conversation is recorded.
It's recorded right here. It's recorded right here.
On your end.
Okay, and I understand you might have a bad bladder.
Yeah, very.
And
I should have been in this area. You so bougie buying a house out here.
And listen,
Bougie. She's so bougie.
What's the point? We're writing it.
And
I'm a nurse. Go to nursing school. I have a business.
Okay.
I got a piece.
I keep myself alive. And she has to pee.
Personally, got a piece of it.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm asking you to come out of the vehicle for me,
I'm not getting in my car.
So right now you're failing to obey.
Failing what?
You're failing to obey my order of getting out of the vehicle. Are you refusing to get out of the vehicle at this point?
What is the consequences for
She's gonna get arrested if you refuse to get out of the vehicle.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
I just explained to you what's going on.
I understand what you explained. I see police officers drunk all the time, pissing outside in front of my house. They killed my fucking dog, Majesty. I have been through bipolar. I was a crazy house. I've been a lot of.
Okay.
Police took my dog.
Okay.
They killed Majesty.
Okay.
Now look, I sue y'all.
Again, I'm asking you to please exit the car, okay? We put you through field sobriety and you'll be released if you're okay to drive, okay? Last thing I want to do is force you out of this vehicle. You understand me?
Oh, yeah, that's some cute
Do you want to go to jail tonight?
Jail?
So I'm asking you again. I've asked probably several times. Do you want to step out of the car?
Ma'am, the officer's asking you to step out of the car. Step out of the car, please.
I'm gonna call my lawyer. Y'all tripping on me?
Step out of the car.
Wow.
Now. This is no longer becoming a request. Get out of the car.
Authority.
Please don't do that. We don't need no house out.
She's standing around the corner right here. I was saying, what's the point? Can I go home safe?
All right, let's go.
Get out of the car.
All right, ma'am. Go ahead and step out for us.
Unbuckle your seatbelt. Step out. You're under arrest.
For what? I do nothing wrong.
Fair to comply. Step out of the car, please.
Unbuckle your
Set a
seatbelt.
car.
Unbuckle your seatbelt, please. All right, step out.
Don't grab me, baby.
Come on, step out, please.
I know guns are nothing.
Step out.
Get out of the car.
Come on, let's go. Step out.
290-8560.
Step out.
Stand up.
Stop.
Stand up. Stand up.
Put your hands
on your back.
All right. Just put your hands on your back.
Put your hands on your back.
There you go. We're good. Hang on. Don't turn around. Just hang on a second, okay? Let's get the head cuffs on. We'll explain everything. Almost done. Just give us one more second, okay? Ma'am, do you have somebody to come get you by chance?
Step over here.
Call my brother.
What's that?
All right, let's go over here.
419.
Let's go over here.
2200 Navarre,
Step over here.
Iowa.
Right over here. Do you have anything that's going to poke me, stick me?
You know I don't. You don't have nothing.
Anything in your pockets?
You know I don't. You can check them.
Take a seat. So, if you look right there, she pissed. I pull up and she's squatting, taking a piss in the middle of the roadway. She admitted to consumption.
You do OVI, fail to comply.
Yeah.
You do DC, DC for urinating.
Yeah, DC urinating, OVI, and fail to comply. I mean,
Dude, you did more than I
know, but I'm just trying.
No, you were a professional. You did a good job. Even once you got out.
All right, Andrea. I gotta read you this form, okay? You're now under arrest for OVI, operating a vehicle under influence of alcohol, a drug, or a combination of them. Operating a vehicle.
I don't do drugs.
While under influence of this controlled substance, you have to pay a fee.
Call my doctor.
Reinstated.
Call my counselor right
If you
here.
take chemical tests, you may have an independent chemical test taken at your own expense.
Y'all wrong. I was a counselor. I was up together. My brother died. I was going to be a nurse. Like, come on, I'm not a bad person. You owe me money. I grab money up. I moved in a good neighborhood. Like, this is wrong as.
If you refuse to take the breath test, your driver's license will be suspended for 2 years. If you decide to take the test at or over the legal limit, it'll be suspended for 1 year, okay?
I'm a good person.
Are you willing to take the breath test for me?
I'm not taking nothing.
Okay. Andrea, you need anything out of the vehicle?
My purse and my phone.
Purse and phone? Okay.
Damn, my nose itch. Why you go with my purse? I don't sell drugs. Why that goes with my purse? That's just my credit card. My good credit.
No, I'm just logging your stuff, make sure we have everything before I give it to you.
Is my money in my purse?
I haven't got
In my
that.
credit card?
Okay.
Make sure you got my stuff.
Okay.
What's the point of y'all going through that?
Because we're taking it?
Taking my purse for what?
I mean, you said you wanted your purse, right? We're going to take it down because you're going to jail.
The last purse I had, y'all stole in my Dooney Burger house years ago.
Man, I'm not taking your purse. It's coming with you to jail. You'll see me walk in with it, okay?
I should go to jail. I have a license and I have insurance.
Well, you're intoxicated. You're operating
No, I'm not.
a vehicle.
That is the longest car search I ever did. It's nothing weird in my car. Is y'all doing her because she a transgender?
We're trying to get her a ride.
Y'all trying to f*** transgender? Because because she gay, bisexual, transgender, and you say that be outside. I have a bad bladder. I have cancer. I'm dying in 4 months. And I'm suing. Y'all killed my dog, Majesty. Went to the crazy house 3 times. I killed my dog, man. I should have sued y'all. I'm going through depression. I'm depressed. I've been through depression. I was like, about my dad. And I beat it. And then I go through this. Oh, hell no. I hate white people. Y'all gotta do is kill people and judge. And do with your racist. Anyway. Boy, you is white. Well, I couldn't get told. For no reason. I put up for no reason. Paid outside. For real. You ain't white boy. I believe in God, though. And at the end of the day, truth will come out. I'm a good person. White people the devil. Court get told for no reason. I feel to be privileged. Intoxicated my ass. 2 glasses of wine. Because I'm short. I'm very short. Everybody could drink wine or champagne, but I drink some wine. It's a problem. You don't care because you're white. You with the white men. You ain't shit either. They been such a serious. It's like if I've been a stripper. That's what I get. Because y'all wrong as f***, man. I'm so smart, though. I got a recording in my... I'm a YouTube woman. I'm a YouTube female. I got YouTube in my vagina. YouTube camera. I hate white people, man. I see why Granny said white people. My granny had a whole white husband. They say white people ain't shit. Can I get a tissue? And her sinuses. I'm gonna choke. What's your race? What's your nationality? You white? Or you Mexican? I just say police officers for. You Mexican or black or mixed?
Mixed.
So why you act like a Uncle Tom? White people don't care about white people. White people don't care about Mexicans, Latinos, Asians. If you're not white, you ain't right. You ain't getting picked. You say you ain't white, but you act like it.
Andrea was charged with operating under the influence, failure to comply, and disorderly conduct. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.